Meghalaya Dudarshan Meghalaya Bahai Pi Barok Sekali itu kubor Janmit Suap si kubor Kiba ini Pak Syuai Kimat Bakongsan Job Kurim Jong Umtirang Konma Bat Kekertong Pi Kameta Candi Esa Yak election sheet yang semua Gambegre Lagi sepangut kinong syang-syang kila dawai ke jing bisyak lo ke jing klat no jong fil rum tu belat ha kali benda ke sorkar ke jing ban sedang biang ke physical efficiency test na ke bentar ke jing kompulit ke first but fourth battalion rum rap badang kat asnem kerta Kot rengkat kejimpan ban pelaj kat benengkong jongki. Ki kubor ki babnya ke Dr. Met Andi sangma ke kurim jong menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya ukon sangma tong ke pi ke eleksi teng semua hagam ke bapnli Ngelak persya bajan tam jongka karani sangma jong seng Trinamul Kongres dah kebatam asal hajar sanspa khandai pesawat ke jong seng NPP yo hat hajan reus pak nyu prat liki kejing ya ang balai ap kemang pa tong jong seng MC krayo prat pesawat vote uker Kongres ke bajulong ke seng ke baklan bor bha ketika than Marak ulayo nyu hajar ris pak khnai san vote bat wan balai ukur tong keseng Bharatiya Janata Party u Bernard and Marak shimla bantam wa tang shi hajar vote ru
in Meghalaya experiencing that right now with NPP government and we will do more and to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
Of course we are very happy as a and would like to thank people of Gambegre for their support in this election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Gambegre that we will do capacity to ensure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges to serve the people of
Rob jong ke BJP ke Mahayuti ke lajok bun tli ki syuki ha ke jingjit nong sya ki dor ba thau an ke jala Maharashtra kat ba ke layo ban bat ya ke bor hajarkan ha Maharashtra ke BJP ke latam ha ki sispa arpun rit kat ba ke Seng Shiv Sena balam khmat dau ek nat ke latam ha ki sanpur constituency ka Seng NCP balam khmat dau mar ke latam ha ki life knali constituency ke kenhu rob jong ke NDA Haki Arpotli constituency kat bagi India block Li constituency habakran Thai kubor nongelam ka Seng Sena u bat menteri rang ba berem u eknat shinde ulang ba lala bantha ri ya ni
ये मैंने कहा था कि महायुति को थंपिंग मेजॉरिटी मिलेगी मैं तमाम मतदाता हैं मेरी लाडली बहनों को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ किसानों को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ और लाडले हमारे हैं लाडले सीनियर सिटीजन हैं सभी वर्ग है सभी वर्ग देता हूँ कि उन्होंने ऐसी विजयश्री प्राप्त कर दी है कि न भूतो न भविष्य तो ऐसी जो इस बार मिली है जो 2-2.5 साल ने काम किया है
Hagawai pat kaliang hajar kebelam khmat ya ke inda blok kelatam haki senti ki haki yang dorba thoang jal kebadon wengut pun jong ke JM kebadon haki yang sunchar kala job haki khat ki bat tampat haki ar constituency hadu mentah yang kongres kala job haki south li kisuki batam haki khat atli constituency kasar jadi kala job ya ke ki batam haki lait li constituency kala job haki south li ki batam haki li constituency kila tam haki hindut li constituency
मैं पूरा हूं कि यहाँ जो है जो लोकतंत्र की भाषा है जनता का जनता के लिए जनता के द्वारा शासन सुनिश्चित होगा और वही शासन के लिए जनता ने अपने अधिकार का प्रयोग किया है। निश्चित तौर पर हेमंत सोरेन जी के नेतृत्व में आदरणीय सोनिया गांधी जी, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे साहब के आशीर्वाद से यहाँ इंडिया गठबंधन की मजबूत सरकार बनेगी।
Angot kila yami pak bat yak nduk lang henin kasi bandawai kajing bishar bahok banta kajing yap jong samla hada fil boy ubala do kajing syak selat ke kali jong ki pulit escort ke balong kawai ki kali senran ya ke kali menteri ketnat ki kam jong ke jela ubak po lengdo ha ke khasan nai wing lapan long kajing thang mombeti hamadan malki bat kamat jeng kren long ba ki badan ti ha jing kha jong u hada fil day tam kat kum
We don't need a rule. We need harder on safety for citizens on the streets. That is the bare minimum. Reason maybe one enough of the culture.
Sorkan Meghalaya kalashim ya kesinjam ban pensuk ya kerukom ya ke license bat pun nak banta kajing apply license ban ti mau ti siap kenang ba tak ban ti mau ti siap ke balong kat kum bat ban kersan ti mau ki badang red umbut menteri rang ho li presiden song ulai tho ba antau ya ke komiti ba kerpang ke ban pej bat kmi bat pensuk ya ke kendon terekam kat Mines and Mineral Development and Regulation Act.
From the Joint Action Committee, these miners. Today, after the constitution of this meeting, special meeting constituted by the press department, to revisit and to review again the present form of the concession rules from our Act. In the Act, we have also one part of the Act which is known as minor minerals. So minor minerals means like stone, quarrying, mining of these items are there. So ultimately, government has notified this. This is the first meeting where we have joint members from the Joint Action Committee. And, they are together with us. So we had the meeting, I should say, today.
Kesorkan Meghalaya kelapai ke tang bang ya ke physical efficiency test ban ha ke first battalion ha yang Shillong bat ha ke battalion MLP ha Sopian u sembut men ka jela pe ke kam home police ba punten song ke ba ki jing tut ha ki kor ha ke bat benengkong bala penlong ya ke kam kalong ke bala shim ran sedang ya kan kerukom perungkam.
Yes, we have seen. I told them that better reset the whole thing because some technical defect in the instruments. So I've already told the board to own it, cancel it, start it. Maybe one week or 2 weeks like that. So is in place, again we will start. So
Kabor district jam sakasni chong kala pentik na ba ki babon ki poiwer ki balawan ri tengen ha kanang ba shlong ki lalit pai no Manipur ki jong kari ya kan pentip hadien kajing lang hapreng ki bor punya district bat ki khot kahnyo trap youth council u additional deputy commissioner ba lang ulo babon balang mi na Shillong la no sa ki samla pulih beteng ki jong pulih jong ki long
children the numbers of migrants so much with the local police and the office of police and also with a majority of them have already left. And we are in constant touch with the members of the different associations or tribes in Manipur residing along. And in our constant association with them, we have been, except for students who are pursuing their studies in different institutions, both school and colleges, a great majority of them have already left either for Manipur or other parts of the country.
Kemasun ram ubah olan singsun ulat ban penlong jing tok kit halor ke jing kena balap baklai ke pisah ke syaka iwe pen arsan klor tengka hapok program tau senam arah jar ar ka badai ka second install jing kena kala pau pa pratrik naiwe ha ka bakat tu kan kisam namos ram kila kena bau MLA bem ka mausun ram HM syang dan kam baklaya kini kepisah ha keba ubak sang pliang ulakan taj ya
the minister to the director to the to even copy to this this one can be refund. It is a problem only. And so that to enable me to reach for the interested people.
nunya syaka klat no jing mensau ha jing ja ha ka arpo artrik unai wing Laitkor East KHASI Hills ya uni bakat latip kerteng da ubari kerpang harbu arpo tan nong soreng kham kate ke jing ja accident kelaja ha ka national highway deng ke ke city ke truck bat ke ke pick up kat kum ke new sam laudang wan na soreng kham bat utmu celong ki ang bak kena bunsin ka ha ka badang red bat menta ka sngi ngi wanra yapi ya kene khana ka ba biang halor kene ke jinget to ngi nyap ya
Indo Udev Raj data bad uratna ikon song kibak ajung kigla sedang benpau perthai hakarta ke badang Udev Raj bad uratna dip ambaki ikon senrap hendai kidai ru kena skul hak kelas 8 skul Kendriya Vidyalaya mut ki kena don sab kila ben pendi ya ka beningkong ki kabalong ka jingjop ka hakarta jong
the book because children like me younger than me can read this book and it's not so serious but full of adventure and little bit of business. I was eating a potato and I love potatoes. I realized that I can write a story about it. When I was reading the book I felt so happy. My teacher helped me to write the book. I was writing her own thought, but when he corrected it and said that don't think like a camel, I write like a camel. My story was right.
Kinungay jongki kasmita talukdar ka papanya ya coaching center kala shemta ka bakong kaban sandor ya kasap ka phong jongki kaseng jongka kala bansay ya kasap ka jing ay kay haki jing shnaba pher
we are inclined towards writing stories when we should put them in the department and guided them throughout and the result is right in front of you. They have not just completed books but a way to write part 2 of the same book. So we are really impressed, proud of our students and their achievements.
Lingba ka jing tray shitom ka jing penyat ba ka jing pendur kini kinong tho ki bedanglong jong ki bakloy bansam ya ka jing yathuk khana jongki sha ka perthei ba ki dang penkre ya ka kot jongki na ki la pensha kam dei ka jing khanglat ya kram DD News Meghalaya
laraki ka Seng Kut Snem pa lagi nong bo jong ka jinget tenrai KHASI mentah kasni ya kani kata mas Seng Kut Snem lagi manus ban burom ya ka KHASI movement kabla thau penek pensar ban ya berukom bat ke kolsor KHASI tenrai. Menteri hajar kisamla KHASI terai kita men senrang kriam da kriam tenrai kle entah ha kejing ya pat ba tenat kabal penkut ha madan waking ha jayau ha kabala penong ya kejing tenrai ba duai bekerpang. Pat ni pe jingman kesunjang hanong ba shalong kajing kreat kalong nyopon sun degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong kan 0.5 degree Celsius kajing sengam kau hau kalong rip kendai nak ispa ha kapor ban step bat proposal nak ispa ha kapor jan mit kalak bandan kajing hap slap ka malum mala bat kajing dum lo ha kat tu kat ni kijaka shwa ban poi shuk kut jong tuk kubor ngi pe yang sasisen kimat bakong san. Job kukurim jong Menteri Rangba Ukonrat Sangma berkekertong keseng NPP ke meta candi Sangma yak election sitang semua ha Gambegre. Lagi sepangut kinong song senang kila dawai kajing besar bahak lor kajing klat no jong hadat fil rumboy belasha selat ha kekali. Pendak sorkar kajing tunggu ban stang biang ika physical efficiency test nang banta kajing tap kam bullet ha first part 4th battalion rung kesenrap badang khat aus nam garta sega kam tho kot rengkat kajing penkrep ban plai ika kot meneng kong jongki Dia perlok tung lepas kubukut jong tuk kubor jong imta janmit hadap min sembiang pila syai kesi keblai pi barok.
Porikhod and UPPL backed the Bongaigaon and Sidli seats respectively.